Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to apply live wallpaper in Windows 11. It's a great way to add some flair and personality to your desktop. Let's get started. First, we need a live wallpaper application. One of the most popular free ones is Lively Wallpaper. You can download it from the Microsoft Store. Just open the Microsoft Store from your Start menu. Search for Lively Wallpaper and click Get. Wait for the download to finish. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and click Open. This is the main interface of Lively Wallpaper. It's pretty straightforward. Lively Wallpaper comes with a number of cool live wallpapers right out of the box. To choose one, just click on it. Once you click on it, it will automatically be applied as your wallpaper. If you have your own video or GIF that you want to use as a live wallpaper, you can do that too. Just click on the Add Wallpaper button at the top, drag and drop your file here, or click on Choose a File, and select the file you want to use. Give it an appropriate title, description, and others if necessary. Then click OK. Lively Wallpaper will handle the rest. Some of these live wallpapers can be customized, just like this rain one. Just click on the three dots on the lower right corner of the wallpaper and select Customize. Here you can adjust the intensity of the animation, the speed, brightness, and the normal is like the adjustment for the opacity. You can also choose the background and still keep the animation. Then we have the scaling, blur quality, and more. There's a couple more settings you can adjust. Click on the gear icon on the top right corner. You can set it to start with Windows, enable or disable the wallpaper on battery mode, and more. Play around with these settings to see what works best for you. And that's it! You now have a live wallpaper set up on your Windows 11 desktop. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks.